Caralho, acabamos de encontrar aqui uma praia, mano. Olha!
Amanhã vai dar as ondas.
Amanhã sobe.
Eu acho que a gente vai pegar as ondas boas aí, mano.
A pedra lá? Vem, não é da frente, é de trás. Ela vem à direita assim.
Tava baixinho de baixo. Nossa, eu tava pensando nela agora.
Ainda vai dar um jump de lá, Tá clarinha?
Caralho,
foi bom, Ariel? Ai, muito irado, velho. É hoje, Ariel.
Everyone else has left now. I bet that this got you stressed out. Wondering what can we do now? Baby, let it burn out. Where I can't feel my face. Mine is twisted in weird ways. Wondering what can we do now? Maybe let it burn out. Glitter sparkling on your heart now, darling. Won't you stay? I'm here wondering what to say. You're putting me afraid. I know it's getting late now.
Estamos tomando café, ainda não olhamos o mar. Vamos dar o check. E desse tempo a gente pode procurar a vaguinha guisa.
A melhor torrada do mundo. Pega a visão.
Lá no campo daquele tamanho.
Muito sujo.
Medida de cadeia. Medida de cadeia aqui.
Caramba, vai sobrar arroz, mano? Isso aqui, mano. Como é que vai sobrar arroz, mano?
Né?
A força nas batidas de amanhã.
Caralho, amanhã é dia de machucar o estado, velho.
Scam right, get up in the car, right? Scam me, girl, all right, comments, scans, and then you got my girls.
Yeah, bro.
Give me coffee.
Today we are going to the olds. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Tomamos, ¿no? Usamos. Para la salud. Para la salud. Primero yo. Tequila style. Eat the worm, motherfucker. Tequila spice, hot nights, feeling right, sipping on Jose Cuervo. Down in Tijuana, Mexico, thinking of the big score the night before. Met the connect, who was impressively dressed in high fabrics with troops like Beirut upon the machine guns. Hey yo, it's all about the money, son. Now that's the only reason we came south of the border to complete this work order. We gotta get it, no looking back, going all out for it. Ready to attack, die in a minute flat for it. God is my witness, we got ditches for you motherfucking fake bitches. It all boils down to the business. Nothing personal when niggas acting like they helping you. I fucking blast you like Frank Castle, motherfucker.
Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga. Sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga. Motherfucker, he was like a father figure. Showed me the bigger picture. Fuck slanging on the corner, don't let the pigs get ya. Not like these fools who don't comprehend, who end up doing a 25 bit in the pen. You got that? He gave me a cup, I took a swig. The bitter taste of the Moscow greenworm shit, dropping a lesson. He slapped my face, he said, listen, pay attention, brother, you're my ace, but don't ever question. Just do what I say and you'll be rich, and keep this in your mind. Rats lay in the ditch with no spine. Don't ever forget that golden rule in the game. Cheers, they all know your name, it's like fame. Wild women and money don't mix like cricket and driving. Watch those conniving women and keep your eye out. Always be aware of what's around you. They wanna down you and fucking clown you. Keep your shit in order, the money won't stop. Pretty soon you'll be on top. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga. Sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga. Bloodshot eyes, my, how time flies and goes by surprise. My mentor passed on and passed the one to me. Emergency for my enemies who wanna murder me. Eat the worm, motherfucker, when you burn, motherfucker. Better kill me, don't let me return, motherfucker. Trust no man, cause I'll be back, you understand. With the plan in my ace in hand, I want it all. I recall the words from Jesus. You want the juice, better go get it. Don't let it get to your head, embed it, let these words stick. You better be ready to die. Now take a fucking sip, harsh ain't it, but I never lie. Tequila sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga. Sunrise, bloodshot eyes. Realize we all born to die, so get the money, nigga.
We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay with me. away to a hill beside the sea. With salt in the air and sand on our feet. We felt the sun as it burned upon our skin. These memories will stay with me.
Chegamos aqui na parte mais difícil da trilha. Trilha muito perigosa, ó, alguém já caiu lá. Mas a gente vai passar aqui com muito cuidado pra não dar merda. Ai, caralho. Porque, porra, aqui é muito perigoso. Graças a Deus eu consegui.
Now I'm far away. These memories still remain.
Pô, o dia do áudio do céu tava bonito de ver o Rodolfo caindo, brother.
You stay with me